Well, Miss Katie Pasquini, how are you?
Hi, Alex. I'm just dandy. How are you?
Great. Well, first of all, I want everybody to know we tried to do this earlier and our computers were not playing together very nicely.
No, they weren't.
But now they are.
Now you look beautiful.
So do you. So, here, I want to talk about what you're working on and all that. But first, I think we need to address what happened with your retreat, the Allegre retreat, which I understand is just phenomenal.
It's wonderful, beautiful location and everything, but it's April. It was going to be April 12th, and we're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
So we were lucky enough to get a July date, and we've never had a leg rate in the summer, so we kind of got bumped up from the non-busy time at the resort to, prime time. So I'm kind of excited.
But aren't they
So it's
kind of
going to be July 19th through the 24th.
But don't aren't you their darling? Don't they love you at Allegre? Seriously.
Well, they do, because Maureen Hendricks, who owns the resort, is taking the classes, and I'm running it for her there. So yeah, they take good care of us. It's really fun.
And so where is it exactly?
It's in Gateway, Colorado, which is an hour southwest from Grand Junction, kind of by Moab, that kind of landscape.
But where do you fly into?
Grand Junction.
Grand Junction. Okay, cool. Well, so now you've got anything else have to get shifted around in the meantime?
Yeah, next week I was supposed to be teaching for MISA at their Santa Fe campus. So they changed that. I have my little cheat sheet here to August 24th and 28th at Madeline Island, which is another beautiful location.
Okay.
So we're moving it to that. So
Anything?
we're just kind of shuffling things around.
Yeah, and hey, is there anything else before we get going on here? Because this is really your opportunity to get it out there.
I decided to go ahead and do my online courses, just starting right now. If you want to take an online course, you just let me know, and I work with you one-on-one rather than waiting to get a whole bunch of people together. So I got a few people that signed up, so we're just sort of going with the flow.
Okay, and then your site is, what's your site, Katie?
Go to KDPM.
Okay. Okay, great. Now, Katie, I've known you. I was thinking about this in bed this morning. You probably don't even remember because you travel so much, but I have told you the story. I remember when you came to EBHQ for the first time, and we were in San Francisco. Janet Shore drugged me
Yes.
along, and you
Yes.
were, well, we were both babies,
Babies.
you know,
Yeah,
and
like what, 23, 24?
old, years old, right?
Yes.
Yes. And what's so fascinating about you, in my opinion, is that how you evolved as an artist. I mean, it was mandalas in the beginning, and then I can't remember what was next, but you certainly have evolved as a quilt maker and artist. And I do want to say, you've been on 4 times, but we did a legend show on you, and it showed 1913, and we came to your house and we looked at your evolution and all of that.
That was fun. That was when we just moved to back to Fortuna from Santa Fe.
Right. So okay. So what's behind you, lady, Katie lady? What are we looking at here?
Well, since I've been in my studio for over a week now, I had just got back last Tuesday from teaching in Lincoln, Nebraska. So I've been sort of staying by myself.
Well, wait a minute. Stop. Was that wonderful? Was it at the museum?
It was at the museum.
Oh,
The
yes.
classroom is just gorgeous.
Yes.
All windows, wonderful people. It was a great experience. And
Did-
the touring the museum was fabulous.
Did you meet up with Michael James?
I had dinner with Michael and Linda. It was very lovely. It was just like 2 days before all this hell broke loose. So, yeah, we had a nice time.
And I don't know the show number, but Michael James has been a legend too, you guys. That is, you need to watch these legend shows because you are the people that the industry has been built on your backs. And we wouldn't be where we are without you guys. So yeah, check out Michael James' Legend Show too. I thought that was pretty neato. Okay, what's going on behind you? Which one do I get to take?
So I had 2 tops done. I had the top, well, not quite done, of this one. This is from my Artful Log Cabin class, where you take a photograph, and I had this poster. I don't know if you can see this, but an old poster from New York.
Can you bring it up closer to the, hey, bring it up closer to the camera. Now lift it up a little bit. What is that?
It's just an old poster. It's falling apart. It's all ratty and everything.
Okay.
I really like the colors and the black and the white. So I put a grid over it.
Okay.
And this is how I translated it. And so I got that to finish the top and quilted it. And then this is another artful log cabin that I started at a Silmar before that got all canceled. And it was just this great picture I found on the internet and put a grid on it. And so I did that.
And can I say something in here real fast? You've actually done 4 shows with us, and you did do one on Artful Log Cabin, and it's 2210.
Cool.
Okay.
Can binge.
Well, that exactly binge, baby, binge. Yeah.
Yeah. And then I've been doing some stitch painting, so a painting canvas. And I did these little still lifes and playing. And since I talked to you this morning, I got a new little one done that I think is kind of happy. So being happy is what we need to be right now.
I know. Is this like what I bought from you?
Yes.
Okay, so let me show. When we were at her show doing the Legend show, she had a wall of these things, and I'm like, baby, you are going home with me. I got a good one, huh?
Yeah, you got a good one.
Where can people buy these things?
My website's not up to date, but I will get that up in the next couple of days. But yeah,
Okay.
I do them myself for like $100, $150. They're just fun, and right now that's what I need. I'm here alone with my 3 dogs, but we'll get through this.
So you want to know who you hang out with on my wall?
Who?
Sheila Frampton Cooper.
Oh, love Sheila.
I know. So I have one of her quilts, and then I have this next to it. So I treasure it, and I got to tell you, people come in and they see the quilts in the house and all that, and they're like, yeah. But then they see this, and they're completely drawn in by the whole thing. Completely drawn in.
It's kind of unique, the paint. I paint canvas and I cut it up and make these constructions. It's really fun, and the paint does all the work, so it's good.
Do you teach that?
I do. It's called Stitch Paintings.
Okay. I love that.
Yeah, I have a iQuilt video on it as well.
Oh, do you? And that's through AQS, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And that you just go and pay your money and then you watch it, right?
Yeah, you can either stream it or you can buy the actual video if that's easier.
Okay. So what has been the biggest adjustment for you being home?
Well, my cousin is not here. She's in Southern California with her grandkids, and she lives 5 minutes away. And we play cards a lot of nights. And so she's not here. And then when she flies home, we're going to have to wait and see that she didn't get anything on the plane. So that's kind of hard. I'm just me and the 3 dogs watching TV and hand sewing at night and stitching up in my studio during the day. I was going to be very busy the next 2 months teaching, and all that got canceled. So in one way, it's sort of like, wow, I can really just not rush. I can sleep in. I can just work on what I feel like. There's no pressure. And just praying for the world that this all ends soon.
I know. What a mess, My son-in-law is over here working in the dining room because they've got kids at home. I mean, and it's just, I say this with all respect. Without kids at home, this is not that horrible because you can be creative,
Yeah, I mean, it's sort of like a dream come true, but if you do have children or somebody you're caring for, it gets a little tricky. And, and I just hope to God I don't run out of toilet paper.
Oh.
I have 12 rolls left.
I hope that for you too. By the way, I got mine on Amazon. Just a tip.
Okay. All right. Well, I think I'm good.
And cat food.
Cat food. Yeah. I went for what did I just buy? My little coffee things for my espresso machine. But we can do it.
And then the other thing I want to say to everybody too, and I just keep saying this: go to your local quilt or call your local quilt shop, get a gift certificate. You can go spend it later. They just need help now.
Yeah, I need to get through. Yeah, we have a great quilt shop in Ferndale, Stitch, Sally Fry and Jackie's quilt shop, and they closed for the week. So And Sally just lives 2 blocks away, so I'm going to go walk by and visit her tomorrow. We do our little distancing conversations with the friends of the neighborhood. I call them, and then we stand across the street with our dogs, and we have a nice little conversation, and we're out in the fresh air.
That's
so it's
perfect.
Okay.
Well, Katie, I just so appreciate you. I'm just going to go really quickly through here your shows.
Okay.
I went, wow, you've done 4 shows with us. We must really like you.
I like you guys.
906 is Printing Improv Designs. Okay. 2210 is Art Quilt Design. Was that done at that house? At the glass
Yes.
house? Yeah. Okay. And then again, Legend, and it was a beautiful show. 1913. And then Log Cab Variation 2210. And actually, that's a class I really want to take.
That was fun. We did that one in Denver area.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
What are you doing at Allegre?
Allegre this time, which is moved to July, I'm doing Jumpstarting Your Creativity, which just gives you a whole bunch of fun ideas to get ideas started designing your own quilts.
And Katie, we were talking about you in my little mini group the other day, and we're all taking a break from each other too, because we have a couple elderly people like Freddie. And we were talking about what a fabulous teacher you are. So people, if Katie's going to be in your area, this would be a workshop I would not miss for anything.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. And if they want to, I'm on Facebook, a professional page, KDPM, KATIEPM, and I'm posting things that I'm making, and it's just something to look at besides all this coronavirus stuff that's going on.
Yeah, you turn off your TV. Just turn off your TV, right?
Stream by those Facebook posts and go to something that looks pretty.
Right. Hey, I love you. Take care.
Okay, sweetie.
See you later.
Okay.
Bye-bye.